1985 Ford Bronco, fixing the clock today. You'll have two screws up in here, and then this vanity piece, which is simply squeeze down on it and pull it out. Don't want to crack these off. Then you'll have three screws. Right there's the third one. Then your clock assembly will come out. On the clock, you have two plastic catches. You'll pry them down. And the clock will come out with the face. These are spring-loaded buttons on these. They push into these metal spring-loaded switches, and that's what we're cleaning today. This thing, just twist it gently, careful of the wires, and it will be attached to this face with these ridiculously little screw bolts, whatever you call them. I got mine out using a adjustable wrench because I did not have a socket that small. They are indeed a bolt. Don't lose them. Get a Sharpie, X-Acto knife, or I use a dental pick to get in here between the two. There's an electrode down there, and you're just going to scrape both sides, and that is all it took. My clock works great now, and I'm able to hold down the time and adjust. It's got engine time, date, and regular time, and you just hold down whichever one you want and hold down the hour minute to adjust the time, and it'll probably work for a long time. These are really solid components.